As you can see, based on the pre-assessment results, we have 10% of the class that was able to correctly answer the pre-assessment questions. 45% was able to somewhat answer the pre-assessment questions correctly. And then we have another 45% that was not able to answer the assessment questions correctly. So it's basically only 10%, and the rest are basically in a limbo of being able to answer some of them and not being able to answer any of them at all. And down here we have the post-assessment questions, in which we were able to double the amount of students that were able to answer all questions correctly. Previously we had 10%, and as you can see we have 20% here, which means 4 students were able to answer all questions correctly. Now we have 9 students being able to answer or being able to mostly master the knowledge and skills that was required of them, which is 45%. And as you remember from seeing above, we did have 45% being able to somewhat answer the questions in the pre-assessment, which is pretty good. And we do have 25%, which is 5 students that were only able to answer 2 of the questions correctly, and we have 2 students that were only able to answer 1 of the questions correctly. So that is actually 7 students out of the 20 that, as you can see, looks like we'll need extra scaffolding on the lesson at hand. What this tells me is that there might be an area in which the instruction is not meeting their needs, their learning needs. And so what I am understanding is that I have to adjust the lesson in a way that the students are able to retain the material. Again, as I stated before, it could also be that, as you can see, these students did miss a few of the questions here. So maybe they are missing the short answer questions, and that can be due to their limited English proficiency, which I stated that in order to increase that, it would just be working on the vocabulary and on their comprehension skills of the vocabulary as well. And these last 2 students, we will be moving them into tier 2 and having them receive that extra intervention. That way they are able to move up into the next category, would be somewhat mastered the knowledge and skills. And so these are my plans in order to have basically all of the students right here move into the next category, so that we are able to help them master the knowledge and skill.